Zainab's mother still cries for her 7-year-old daughter.
She was youngest in the family. She knew how to make her parents happy.
Zainab's brutal rape and murder triggered mass protests in Pakistan. But this was not an isolated incident, nor is sex abuse limited to little girls. In Punjab province alone, there are 1,300 cases of sexual abuse in the last 2 years, according to a recent report presented to the Pakistani Senate Committee. More than 1,000 were minor boys.
I
was crying. He was hurting me. I cried the whole night.
Child rights activists say the problem is that most of the cases go unreported. Shame is a big obstacle because of societal taboos against talking about such issues. Another pressure is from the police or local influential people to sweep such cases under the rug.
This unfortunate incident happened to us, but no one was taking action. We ourselves handed over the culprit to police, but they released him, even though the case was registered against him. Why has he been released?
Human rights activists say cases rarely make it to the courts because Pakistan's legal system allows the victim's family to forgive the offender and accept what is often referred to as blood money. Lack of awareness by parents and the legal and medical process is another obstacle. Human rights activists say changes in the educational system are the first step to protect children from sexual abuse.
Our curriculum for children does not include anything on what kind of contact is inappropriate.
Many are calling for an appropriate way for parents and teachers to discuss the topic with children.
Kids are so small, but we have told them not to go with any strangers. And if someone tries to hold you or touch you, scream for help or run away.
While Zainab can never come back, many in Pakistan believe that her horrific murder should be a wake-up call to make necessary changes to safeguard the lives of thousands of children like her. For Nilofar, Mughal, Gary Butterworth, VOA News, Washington.